Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to completely turn off vibration on your iPhone. A lot of people think that turning the ringer switch off or setting the phone to silent will stop vibrations, but your iPhone may still buzz when you get a text, an email, or even an emergency alert. If you find that distracting, here's how to shut off vibrations for good. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down until you see Accessibility and tap on it. Side accessibility, look under the section called Physical and Motor, then tap on Touch. Now scroll down until you find the option called Vibration. All you need to do is toggle that switch off. Once you've done that, your iPhone will no longer vibrate for calls, texts, app notifications, or even emergency alerts. It's a complete vibration shutoff. If you ever decide you want vibrations back, just go back to the same settings and turn the switch back on, and that's it. Quick and simple. If this tutorial helped you, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.